What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test ice cream gadgets. But first of all I want to talk about my new sunglasses. Check this out, this is Shade 3 sunglasses, new American edition. Freedom will be defended. If you subscribe to my channel, you already know this is my favorite brand of sunglasses because I have big head and none of the glasses will fit me that well and will not look so good. But guess what? This one's also made from wood and they even float. Most of them anyways. If they're made from wood, boom, they fit really good as you can see. And guess what? Shade 3 was super nice and sent me a few pair of their sunglasses and sponsored this video. But just letting you guys know, every summer Shade 3 releases new American edition pair of sunglasses, where a portion of the sales goes to disabled veterans and their families. So make sure you guys go to their website and check out this American edition Shade 3 sunglasses. I'll put links in the description. Okay, let's get to our gadgets. So for the first ice cream gadgets, let's see what we got here. Looks like the ice we're going to put inside here and then mix the ice cream and we'll see how it's going to work out. There's lots of recipes of ice cream. I'm gonna do a very simple one. Half and half, half a cup. Milk, half a cup. A bit of sugar. That should be good. And a little bit of vanilla extract. I already put ice over here. Is that how you're supposed to do it? I'm really not sure. Or do I supposed to freeze it? You know what, I was wrong. You don't put ice in here. You're supposed to place the whole thing for 8 to 12 hours first. So my mistake. So this is why this gadget could be way better. Let's put this gadget to the test and see what this does. It's going to make a lot of ice cream, that's for sure. So you got the empty bucket. I put the mixture inside for the ice cream. Then you put the cover in. Then you place this inside in the middle, and then right here goes into here and then locks it in. Now you put the ice right on the side of it. That should be enough. Even though it's not fully with ice, it should be plenty. Okay, and then we plug it in and it should start spinning. Okay, plug it in. Sounds like it's spinning inside there. Actually the whole thing's spinning. The whole bucket over there is spinning. You know what else we forgot? Rock salt. It will melt the water a little bit, the ice. You see it's spinning better now? There you go. That's what we want because ice makes it way colder. Ice cream will jump for 20 to 40 minutes. Ice cream is ready when motor stops and nearly stops. Wow. That's way too long to make ice cream. I could do it faster with Ziploc bags. Let's see if I have a better gadget for it. I have here one of these bowls that been in the refrigerator for, I don't know, 24 hours or longer. And then I'm gonna add my ice cream mixture. See what happens. Just gonna keep mixing it. You see how ice cream is freezing over on the sides, so you wanna keep scraping it, all the ice. It might be too cold right now. There you go. Make sure you don't make a mess like I am. So just keep going like that. I noticed this is the best way. You can also make slush inside of it. You can just pour any kind of juice in as well. And it does not take 20 to 40 minutes. As long if you pre-freeze it, this technology is actually pretty cool. So as you can see, this is almost easier way to do ice cream. And it's constantly freezing up to the edge. So awesome. I might have even better ice cream maker. You freeze it for 8 to 24 hours. You pour milk, or not milk, mixture that you have, and then you just wait till it freezes over. I bet this, and yep, this one already froze. I spilled a little bit on that side, but yeah, as you can see, it's frozen all the way. So now you just wait. Okay, after it freezes, what you will do is grab one of these pieces. It's supposed to roll for you, but I guess the mixture that I have is not going to roll. I guess I didn't mix it the right way. So what you could do is just scrape up and put it in your plate to make yourself some ice cream. A very, very fast way to make ice cream. As you can see, my ice cream mixture does not roll that well. And then, boom, there you go. This one kind of rolls, but it breaks apart. The idea of this gadget, if you make a perfect ice cream mixture, it should roll without breaking apart. But nevertheless, look at that. Very fast way to make a lot of ice cream, as you can see. You can even mush up different type of toppings. Very, very easy. Boom, and you have here a whole scoop of ice cream. I like it. Super fast and easy. For the next gadget, I got here Coca-Cola slush drink maker. Let's see how this one works. So the ice is going to go in this hole. Very easy. Grab yourself a scoop and put it in here. I like that it's not huge, so that way I don't need that much ice. Obviously all the way to the top. And then Coca-Cola gonna go into this funnel, and then there's a max full right there. That should be enough. Boom. And then on this side we're going to press freeze. Oh wait, we gotta plug it in first. Let's see what happens. It actually says right there maximum freeze time 15 minutes. Okay, I can slowly see it starting to freeze up and fall off. So maybe another 5 minutes it'll be all done. Okay, I can see even more slushy floating around in there. So definitely get in there and very, very little bit more time and it will get fully iced up. Okay, it's actually frozen. Now you push this right here to dispense. It's gonna spin the other way. And how do we do this? Oh wow, that's it. That is cool. Look at that. All the slush in there. That's amazing. Let's try this again. It's on dispense. Just turn this. Whoa, look at that. Off, and look, you got the slushy. How cool is that? Definitely a thumbs up for me for this machine. It worked really well. I just drink some of that and wow, that's amazing. You see, it's all slushy. Especially here, new one. So much slush in there. Amazing. Tastes like ice cream, Coca-Cola ice cream. And for the last gadget, right here you can make popsicles with any kind of orange juice. Just fill it up. And there's a fill line, it says right there. You don't want to overfill it. Then you put these covers in. And that's it. Whoops. And you're going to have awesome popsicles in a few hours once it's all freezes up. And it's a bit healthier because instead of having a bunch of milk, half and sugar, you get straight up juice. So all the vitamins, just make sure you use 100% juice, and then you're going to have really nice popsicles. Then the whole thing pops out like this. After it's frozen, you run it over the hot water and just separate this whole piece off, and the popsicle will stay in. That's the idea. So very, very cool gadget, isn't it? Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.